Hey, welcome to another show. Today on the show, we're going to show you how to put an SD card in your new Samsung S20 Ultra phone. It's pretty easy cheesy, so let's get started. The phone will come with one of these little metal pokey things, and all you have to do is take your phone, and you'll see on the side here, it's going to have a little hole there. So you'll gently push this in, and then a little door will come out, and then you just gently pull this out. All right.
And then you put the SD
And then you put
card.
the little SD card in there.
It's very little.
It is very little.
Maybe you have to be very careful with that.
They are easy to lose, and
Yeah.
so you just kind of
Don't do it by your carpet.
no.
Because will get lost.
So you just snap that down. Make sure it's nice and snug,
And make sure it doesn't go on the carpet.
and make sure it doesn't go on the carpet.
And it goes on the carpet, it will be lost.
That's right.
So don't do it by a carpet.
Don't put it on the carpet. And then go ahead and slide the door in. All right, push it in there. Make sure it's nice and snug. So that was super easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy to put that
On the
SD card
next
in.
show, we're going to show you how to put stuff on it.
That's right. Check out our other shows on here. We got other cool shows where we're going to be talking about the S20. We got some cool phone cases to show you. And we also have educational videos and drawing videos on this show. So a lot of cool things. Make sure you have a fun day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Adios.